you can get into a sporty looking two-door for $149.
Original recipe or extra tasty crispy or 1.5.
With Miller's 10 grand a day giveaway.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video on the GTI. If you're not familiar or new to the channel, this is my Mk7 GTI Autobahn, and we've done a few little things to it recently. The intake, short rim intake, turbo inlet elbow. We've got the dual air inlets, and otherwise, besides a few suspension bits, the engine is pretty stock. And I'm filming this video in two parts. This part today that you're watching is going to be about this. This is an Aerofabb V1 front lip or front splitter, and I got it off Facebook Marketplace. It's in really, really good condition. It looks like it was maybe mounted, but there's no scratches on it or anything like that besides a few dog prints. But as you expect with Aerofabb, it's really good quality stuff. And the one thing I don't have is the instructions, since I bought it used. When I did my spoiler extension, I raved about the instructions, how easy it was to put on, and yeah, so I'm hoping that without the instructions, it should be pretty easy to do otherwise. And to make it easier on ourselves, I'm going to take the front bumper off. A lot of people recommend doing that, so I'm gonna do it. And I haven't done it before. I've watched a few videos on it, so I'm not gonna film that. If you guys wanna see how to remove a front bumper, I would suggest doing a YouTube search. And I'm gonna take the front bumper off, and then we'll cut back to when it is off. All right, so front bumper is off. It was pretty easy to do. Just a lot of little screws and a couple hidden nuts, and then just getting the front bumper sensors undone, which is pretty easy, as long as you got some prying tools. But yeah, front bumper's off. So now I'm going to make a little space over here, and then we can start installing this lip. All right, and all of our nuts and bolts are on. Got our spacers in, so you can see right up in there, we got our little spacers in. And now I just gotta tighten everything down with a little wrench and a drill. And this will wrap it up. Not too bad of an install, pretty easy, even without the instructions. I did watch one video, but it wasn't very thorough. So if you order this, you should have the instructions, unlike I do. So let's drive these in. All right, and here it is. The lip is on and secure. I think it's actually the V2 lip because it's a lot less aggressive than the V1 is supposed to be. The V1 comes with the rods and everything, so pretty sure this is the V2 kit. I really like the way it looks. I'm happy with it. This is the one that I really wanted, and everything lines up straight, and it's in. You saw me put all the bolts in with the little support bracket right there. So we should be good to go. And now all we gotta do is throw it back on. Just got all the charge pipes installed on the GTI. So now this video has been exhausting because it's super late. I'm trying to film 2 videos at one time, memorizing clips. Anyways, time to put the bumper on the car, get everything back together. Alright, and here it is, looking awesome. This is exactly what I wanted. Subtle little lip, and the design is great. It matches the bumper perfectly. Yeah, I am loving that. It looks really good. Again, this is Aerofabb. If you want to pick it up, that's where you go to look it up, and you buy it. So there it is, front lip Aerofabb installed on the GTI. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a really fun install. It was easy. Outside of doing the charge pipes, it would have gone a lot easier and I wouldn't be as tired as I am, but it is what it is. So be sure you stick around. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.